Hi guys, and welcome back to class. So this class is actually going to be reiterating on archiving projects, because as professionals you need to know how to keep your files in check and make sure they are in one place, so you don't go all out trying to pick up so many things at the end of the day. So it is important that when you are beginning or starting a project in Adobe Premiere Pro, you always want to open new folders for new projects. So when you open new folders for new projects, it is also important that whatever you are going to be editing goes into that same folder, so you don't lose files trying to jump here and there. So one of the easiest ways to actually organize all your projects into one place is to actually come to project settings. So you go to file, go to project settings, and you go to scratch disk. So in scratch disk, this brings out where Premiere Pro saves your captured video, your captured audio, your video previews, your audio previews, your project auto save, your libraries, your library download, and your motion graphics. So it's important that when you set up these things, you can see everything I have here enters one folder. So I do not have issues trying to set up or look around and try to be looking for things up and down. So it's important that you set them. So if I want to change this, I could as well change it to Illustrator or Advanced Thumbnails. I'll just pick one and select that one has changed. So you are going to be replicating the same thing for every other panel that you find, that you come across, because it's important you keep all these things in one folder. And you click OK, and this automatically happens. So when you're going to be exporting, you need to export in the same place, and there you have it. That's just the way you save. Then many times you also need to change the number of times you actually have your autosave settings on. So sometimes the autosave settings comes in a very tricky aspect, because some people do forget to autosave, but autosaves actually are automatic and they actually help you work within seconds. So you can also come here and remove media cache files if you do not need them again. You can also come here as well, and you see media, you see so many things. Yes, do not also forget to use labels. So always label your videos when you are working on them, and when you label them, you have easier access to them, because you already know this particular track is probably scene 2, act 1, or whatever it is. You need to label them and make sure that you are tightening your bolts and you are taking care of the nitty-gritties in your edits, or else when you have a scattered edit or scattered timeline, you may not be able to actually compile and arrange all of them together, and it's not going to be so easy at the end of the day. So that's all you just need to do. So that will be all for trying to archive all your projects and making sure that every little thing is in check. So bye for now. I'll see you in the next class.